Figma interface. Before we dive into creating amazing designs, let's take a moment to familiarize ourselves with Figma's interface. Understanding how everything is laid out will save you time and make your workflow smoother. Let's break it down. At the very top, we have the tab bar. This provides access to the file browser and any open documents displayed as tabs. Here, you'll also find a button to create a new file. But keep in mind, if you're using Figma in a browser, the tab bar won't be visible. That's because browsers only allow one document per tab. The file browser is your hub for managing projects and files. You can switch between grid or list views to suit your preference. To create something new, use the plus icons in the tab bar or sidebar for a new draft, or the top right corner to create a new file in an open project. Need to import a sketch file? Use the import icon or go to File, Import from Sketch in the drop-down menu. Once you're inside a file, you'll notice the toolbar. It's packed with useful tools like Move Tools, Region Tools, Shape Tools, Creation Tools, Text, Comment, Actions, and Dev Mode. Need something fast? Use the Command or Control/shortcut to search for menu options instantly. It's a real lifesaver. If you're working with a lot of expanded groups or frames, use Alt or Option L to collapse them all at once. This panel also houses your pages and assets, so it's your go-to for organizing content. On the right, the Properties panel updates dynamically based on your selection. It's divided into Design and Prototype tabs, giving you all the control you need. Want a cleaner workspace? Use Command or Control/ to hide both the panels and the toolbar, a handy trick for working on large mockups with limited screen space. At the center is the canvas, where the magic happens. You can change its background color in the Properties panel. Adjusting the zoom is easy with shortcuts. Control or Command 0 to zoom to 100%. Control or Command- to zoom out, and Control or Command+ to zoom in. You can also double-click a layer icon in the Layers panel to center it. Want to level up your efficiency? Check out Help, Keyboard Shortcuts, or use Control or Command-Shift ? The shortcuts are well organized, and ones you've used before are highlighted in blue, helping you track your progress. Remember, some global shortcuts might conflict with Figma's. Unfortunately, at the time of recording this video, Figma does not support custom shortcuts. Now that we've covered the interface, you're ready to start creating.